In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an audio file into a Google Doc for easy sharing and access. Now, whether you're preparing a presentation, creating an interactive document, or simply sharing some sounds with a group, integrating audio can significantly enhance your content. Let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process. First, we're going to start by getting your audio file ready. The best way to do this is to upload it to Google Drive. So open your Google Drive account. Once you're there, look for the button labeled New in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this button and from the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Now, simply browse your computer to find the audio file you want to upload. Google Drive supports a variety of formats, including MP3, Wavy, and M4A, so you should have no trouble selecting your file. Once found, click on it to start the upload process. You'll want to wait until the upload is complete, which may take a moment depending on your file size and internet speed. Next, it's important to adjust the sharing permissions of your audio file to make sure others can access it. To do this, find your uploaded audio file in Google Drive and right-click on it. From the menu, choose Share Shamnins. A window will pop up. Here, you need to change the access settings. Look for the option that says anyone with the link and set their access to viewer. This ensures that anyone with the link can open and listen to the audio file. Don't forget to copy the shareable link because you'll need it soon. Now, we move on to Google Docs. Head over to Google Docs and open the document where you want to include your audio link. This is where you'll edit and integrate the audio file, and there's more than one way to do it to suit your style. One straightforward method is to paste the copied Google Drive link directly into your document. By doing this, readers can click on the link, and it will open the audio file in Google Drive, ready to be played. Alternatively, for a more polished look, you can turn text into a clickable link. Highlight a word or a sentence such as listen to audio, then right-click and select Insert Link. Paste the Google Drive audio link here. This transforms the text into a hyperlink that opens the audio file when clicked. If you want to get even more creative, consider using an image. Perhaps it's a speaker icon or a play button graphic. Insert your chosen image into the document, then right-click on it and select Insert Link. Paste the audio link just as before. Now, when anyone clicks on the image, the audio file will play, adding a nice visual element to your document. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively incorporate audio into your Google Doc, making your documents more interactive and engaging. Thanks for watching and happy embedding!